It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Don't make your AC work harder than it has to for you to stay comfortable in your home. Today, Bob Riley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air is here to help us understand variable speed HVAC. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.
What is variable speed HVAC?
Variable speed is most of your systems are either a single stage, but now they came out with first stage, they came out with a two stage, and they came out with a variable speed.
Well, so the best part is I need you to even break that down further for me. What's a stage?
Okay, stages are like shifting gears in your car.
Okay.
You have a single stage, which means as soon as your system comes on, it's running at a max capacity.
Okay, so there's one speed. It's either
Yes.
on or it's off.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then your second stage is it's going to come on. If it needs a second stage, it's going to shift into second stage, and it's going to help you get through where you need to get to it.
Okay.
The variable speed, some systems have 66 stages. So that's 66 gears this thing is going to be shifting as it's going along, and it's going to be working its way up to the 66. It's going to be very rare that it ever hits the 66 because it's 109 degrees outside, 90-something degrees inside your house, and then you want it at 60. Then it's going to hit that 100%, but most of the time it's just going to cruise along to where it needs to be done, and then it's going to get your system.
And you're gonna be comfortable in your home without using that maximum level of energy.
Exactly. It's going to cost, actually be saving energy.
You're going to be saving a ton of energy,
Yeah.
It sounds like, which of course leads to savings in the long run out of your pocketbook. Is that right?
Correct. You're going to be using it. If you use it the same way you use your old system, you're going to see its substantial savings. If you don't use it the same, well, then your savings is going out the window because now you're like, hey, I just spent all this money on a new system. I want it ice cold in my house. Your savings isn't going to be there.
It might not be quite the same, but this allows you to maybe be a little more rigorous with how comfortable you want to be because you can loosen up. And I want it to be a little bit colder. Your variable speed's not going to use that maximum energy. So this is really going to help people stay more comfortable more of the time.
Exactly. And then they also have it for heaters too. They have single stage gas, gas valves. They have two-stage gas valves, and then they have a modulating gas valve. And it works the same way. First stage, gas is on. Second stage, two stages, it goes 1, 2, and then modulating, it works its way up to the demand that's needed for the house.
And of course, all the comfort advisors at We Care, just like you, will come out and help ask questions about my lifestyle, figure out what I need, and get me to the right product for my house.
Yeah, because the biggest thing is what's the questions? What are you looking for? How long are you going to be at your house? Because if you're going to be only there for a year, then why would you spend all this money on a system that you're only going to be there for a year? Because you're not going to get that money back when you sell your house.
Thanks so much, Bob. For all of your AC repair needs, or if you're ready to upgrade to a variable speed HVAC system, call We Care today, 619-333-8646.
Do you enjoy that video? Please take a moment to subscribe. When you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips. It's all great information that covers everything you need to know for your home. So hit that subscribe button below and check out more videos.